Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this additional. In the additional, in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September the 30th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday. And I've already solved three puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7194. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But yeah, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. There dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Here I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here we have also a dual box, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, no triple boxes. Next question. Quadra boxes then contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes here, I believe. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. That you need to recognize. Yeah, that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. All right. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. More T-shapes. Yeah, here. Another T-shape. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Only 2 T-shapes. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. This shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. No. Correction. The third one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one, upside down. Oh, wait, rotated, not upside down, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Then, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, okay. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or 2. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes can be 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Then, these 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 3 here. and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3, and also connected with this box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area. For number 2, 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. 3 and 5. Alright, this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, those 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be here. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there. If I place a 4 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. But we already have a 4 there. So not a solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. Then, let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? It's a 0 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. 14 minutes. For a 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 0 star, 40 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Jigsaw Sudokus, aka Tectonic, playlists for the binary puzzles, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will meet again in the evening, with a Samurai Sudoku. Well, the Samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour, and the goal is to solve this within an hour. Yeah, you cannot make any mistakes with the Samurai Sudoku. That's why it's called Samurai. And if you make a mistake, then your whole puzzle will be a disaster. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.